Hi, Bill Yanek here, your Connex CEO with the Good Friday version of the Daily Grind. We've certainly been very appreciative of our audience and definitely of our guest speakers. And you can find all episodes of the Daily Grind at connexfm.com. I'm your Connex CEO, Bill Yanek, and today is a little bit of an advertisement for our association and what we're doing. And we'll get us off on hopefully somewhat of a holiday weekend as we're still all in lockdown. First and foremost, if you want to know anything with regard to the coronavirus issue, COVID-19, how it affects the FM industry, how it's affecting Connex events, and what is or is not happening, it's all at connexfm.com. And recently, that section of our website received a facelift. And so if you go to our homepage, you're going to be able to click front and center on that to go to our Coronavirus Resource Center. And you get everything again with episodes like this, our previous episodes. These are 5-minute interviews, the Daily Grind, with decision makers across the FM landscape. And we're going to continue that again on Monday. Another piece of the Connex FM website I want to bring up and bring more attention to is our career connection. Because we do know that FM career field or career path is in turmoil now, and there's going to be a lot of turnover, good, bad, and otherwise. So what we're doing at Connex is enhancing just what used to be our basic career center, where we just had job listings on both the FM, multi-site FM, and supplier side. You're also going to have an increased staff presence at that career connection, where when you enter that portal, you're going to have staff assistance from Connex headquarters, from our team that's spread out across North America to hopefully make that process better and easier, and to keep the connections, because we do know that while some areas may be furloughing and losing jobs, other areas are hiring and gaining jobs, and we want to connect both of those together. Something we're all following quite closely, it's the CARES Act. It's the multitude of efforts coming out of Washington, D.C. with financial assistance, whether it's SBA loans, paycheck protection, how you're working with your bank. And we have CARES Act information at Connex FM as well on our coronavirus section. And so, yes, you obviously have to follow the news, but you're going to go to Connex FM and you're going to get what really matters from that CARES Act with regard to the FM industry. With one note of warning, we heard this week that there has been a definite uptick in phishing attempts. Unfortunately, people trying to take advantage of this CARES Act money. And so I would be enormously careful if you get certainly cold calls or cold emails coming at you with consultancy that want to help you with the CARES Act. You want to go to your lender of choice. Hopefully it's a bank or financial institution you already have a financial relationship with. Or if you have other questions, contact Connex headquarters, contact me, or contact my team, and hopefully we can help you get through that too, get through that shoot. I did see some evidence news-wise and on social media that some of those paycheck protection loans are starting to be deposited, thank goodness. And so there was a huge influx of applications, but maybe we're starting to break that logjam a little bit. One final note, so just over a week away would have been Connex 2020. We would have been in Orlando. We're not going to be there, but you're going to start to see very soon the information on what our virtual Connex 2020 is going to look like on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of that week. So that's April 20, 21, and 22. We've got a lot of great stuff planned. Just a couple hours of your time a day. Hopefully you can take time out to see. We're going to have a virtual annual meeting of the association, which is something legally we have to do and logistically we're going to pull off. But you're going to see segments of the content you would have been able to watch live down in Orlando. You're going to get to see them virtually from your home, from lockdown. And so we're excited about that, making the best of a difficult situation. That's your episode of the Daily Grind today. I hope regardless of how you celebrate this holiday weekend, you take a little time, get out from in front of the computer, spend some time outside, and certainly some time with family and friends. We'll see you back here again, 1 Central, same link, same time, Daily Grind every day from Connex and from Connex headquarters. Thank you again for taking the time to watch. Thank you to our members for sticking with us, for sticking with Connex. I do appreciate all the efforts of the Connex team, the Connex leadership, we're going to get through this and get on the other side. So with that, have a great weekend.